In this video, I'm going to show you how to block channels on YouTube. So YouTube actually removed the block channel button that used to be there, but there are other workarounds to get channels to appear less on your recommended or videos. So here's an example. So if you don't want in your recommended a channel to appear or videos from a channel to appear, you can click on the three dots here and then click on don't recommend channel or not interested. And you can also click on report, but I would just recommend don't recommend channel. So just like that. You can also click on the channel itself. So let's just click on the channel. Okay, and then over here you can click on more and then scroll down and then click report user and then click on hide user for my channel. That's another way, but I would just recommend just selecting the three dots and then clicking on don't recommend channel. That's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.